Welcome back. Hyperlinks within an Excel file give it a more professional appearance. They are often used for the index pages of financial models or files of different nature. It is not difficult to add them to a document. Hyperlinks are references pointing to an existing file or a specific place in a file. In this video, we'll see how to insert a hyperlink, linking a specific place within the same document. We have to be in the sheet where we want to insert the link, and to select the cell where the link will be. After which, we have to go to the Insert tab and select the hyperlink box. In the dialog box, we will choose Link to a place within this document, and select the sheet within the document with which we would like to create a link. The content of the cell containing the hyperlink can be modified as any other cell. This is how we create hyperlinks within the document, which allows us to jump from one sheet to another. Thanks for watching.